Good fucking Monday morning. Today I'm gonna work on the tanks, the missile tanks. As you can see, I've made holes so I can link the two tanks and a filling pipe. That's the one for the other side here. That will go under in the middle and down in the front. That will go under the cap in each side, and under the cap we can put them together. And yeah, these ones has to be welded on. When I am finished with making all the holes in each of the pipes, I'm gonna weld the ends on, and after that the link, and then we can take it on from there. Let's fucking go! So now I welded all the tops. That's the bottom line of it. Dirty job, but when I get the top on and everything lined up, I will fully weld it. Good Friday morning, guys. This is getting serious. Getting shit done. Tony is here for a couple of days and he has done the brake lines and the lines for the steering coming today. And further on in the back, today I'm gonna mount the transmission cooler. We've done pipes for wiring and the brake lines and air lines and all that things. So we got the pipe inside the frame to hide all that mess. And I got these height adjustable things for the air suspension on. So today I'm gonna connect them with the lower bar. Can't remember what that called. And I am still on the missiles. Today I hope I get the time to connect them with the small linkage for to get the fuel on, on and off. And what else do we got? Tony got the rear axle cleaned up inside and fresh oil in. He's ready with some new lines for the transmission cooler. And what else do we got? Yeah, we got a pedal on. We got the brake pedal. It now has brakes. So yeah, and you got the whole bench bumper bench that's going in is getting cut in the town today. So Monday morning, I think, I get it, and we're gonna assemble that. So yeah, we got a busy weekend. Get a lot of shit done. We got a driving test on this in 2.5 weeks. That means 18 days from now. Whew. Let's get fucking done. Saturday on fire. I'm building a console for the cooling. This is for the transmission cooling, and these two are for the intercooler. And yeah, Tony is doing all the pre-work to the wiring and air suspension techniques. So we are pretty much on everything today. So we are heading to the last 2 weeks of the build before we are going to driving test. So there's a lot going on, but we will make it.